The move by Catherine Kealoha's lawyers to withdraw from the case will likely delay her two other trials as well as cost taxpayers more money. Cynthia Kagiwara was court appointed and a new attorney will have to take over. Manolo Morales has details. Manolo?
Joe, Kealoha has another attorney, Earl Partington, who was hired by her family in the middle of the trial. He tells me he only plans to stay on for the sentencing and to appeal the verdict. In her motion to withdraw as Catherine Kealoha's attorney, Cynthia Kagiwara cited an irretrievable breakdown in the attorney-client relationship which cannot be reconciled. Earl Partington tells me he went to visit Kealoha at the detention center Tuesday, and he says the motion was a surprise to both of them.
I would have thought that I would have been given a heads up and that Catherine would have been given a heads up and that she would have asked Catherine to say, do you oppose this or not oppose this, so she could represent in court.
Partington says he found out that Kagiwara went to the detention center, but she didn't want to wait 10 minutes for Kealoha, so Kagiwara left. Partington says Kealoha wanted to hire him because as the trial was going on, she was not happy with Kagiwara's performance. Kealoha's family agreed to pay Partington's fee.
When Catherine's family hired me, it was obvious that they weren't happy with the representation. And, you know, I've tried to work with her, but it's been very difficult.
Her meaning Kagiwara, who Partington says kept him out of the loop, even though they're supposed to be working together. So now a new attorney has to be appointed to represent Kealoha for a second trial accusing her and Louis Kealoha of bank fraud and identity theft.
That lawyer's got to learn the case. So that's like 6 or 8 months. So she keeps sitting and sitting and sitting until somebody is prepared to defend her.
Attorney Michael Green represents some of the alleged victims of the second trial, which was scheduled for October. He points out that even if Kagiwara had not asked to leave, Kealoha would have probably fired her anyway to appeal the case.
To set up the appeal, she has to say that her lawyer was ineffective or basically negligent or incompetent.
Now, we reached out to Kagiwara, and she said she cannot comment on the motion. A judge is scheduled to rule on it next week, Thursday. Joe.
Thanks, Manolo.